This video is for those people who deep down know that books are the best thing they need for having a successful life, but still can't get themselves to read enough books. Hi guys, I'm Manpreet and I make book related videos on this channel, and today's video is about how to make yourself like reading books. Now a lot of you might think that this video is not required, and a lot of you might think that she has just gone mad or she's just making videos to make content on the day she said she would. But the fact is, a lot of people actually know that they should be reading books. A lot of people actually understand how important books are and still cannot like books. All of my tips are usually what I have done and tried for myself, because there was a point in my life when I started to hate reading books. Bad company, guys. And I understood how to like reading books once again by using these tips. Number one tip I have is cross the barrier of picking up an easier option, that is movies. A lot of people actually do not read books because they think if this is a great book, it will be converted into a movie one day and then they'll watch the movie. But the thing is, all those important lessons, all that gist and all that amazingness and all that impact you can have on yourself just withers away with your choice of watching the movie and not reading the book. So you have to understand that even though you like movies a lot, and even though you are a firm believer that movies are great and movies should be watched, you should make yourself ready to read books, because that's important for your life and your success, your growth and your happiness. Number two, stop considering reading books as a pastime. A lot of people actually consider reading books as a hobby, and I feel like that is the biggest mistake you make in your life. All the great people have read a lot of books. All the great people have been great readers, and they were just not hobby readers. They used to read books because they knew that they were important, and they used to read books as they used to consider reading books as something sacred and something necessary in their life. So when you give it a tag of hobby, you actually insult even your will to read books, and you actually can never do that. You need to understand that you are using books for your personal development and they cannot be just your hobby. Number three, get disciplined. Now, discipline is the most important thing you need in your life to be successful at anything. Maybe it's impressing a girl, maybe it's getting good marks, maybe it's getting good job, maybe it's actually getting happy about the life you're living. So discipline is really important, and you need to discipline yourself to read books at a particular time of a day if you really want to, make yourself like reading books. Another tip I have for you guys is to keep aside time for reading. To be honest, I have said this tip so many times that everybody is bored of it. But if you're new to this channel, or if you're listening it again, you should know that this is the best thing you can do for yourself. You have to keep aside some time to read, or it's true for anything you really want to do and you cannot do it for God knows what reason. You just need to give it time. Some particular amount of time every single day, and you'll be able to do it, you'll be able to like it, and you will be able to love it. And my last tip is to connect with the people who actually like reading books. To be honest, I have always been surrounded with people who never used to like reading books. They found it a waste of time. They found it not good enough. They found nothing good out of those books. So very naturally, I stopped liking books when I was surrounded with all those people, and I stopped liking books. And it took a lot of effort to get out of that condition, but I would suggest you not to get into that condition in the first place. Not to get in a company that would really bring you down than, helping you grow. In the end, guys, you should remember that it's your choice how you want your life to be. And if you really want your life to be amazing, to be better than everybody around you, then you need to put some extra efforts into that. And the first and the easiest kind of effort you can put into it is to read more books. So books actually really open the world to you and give you access to the greatest people in the world, which either are dead or are just out of your reach. Also, if you're a person who really hates his current condition of life, you can usually use his books as a getaway to get into this entirely different world that can really, change your life. It really did that to me. I managed to go through a very tough time in my life through reading books, and that's why I have been very much, about read more books and read more books. And then there is this thing about how you can actually use it for getting successful. So you have to read more books, and if you like reading more books, then obviously you can read more books. So I hope this video helps you to do that. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it helpful, do share it with your friends and hit a thumbs up. This is Manpreet signing off. I'll be back with another video very soon.